Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about real-time case study number 20. So today the topic is the Little Master SQL problem. So the question is, Sachin Tendulkar is also known as Little Master. You are given run scored by Sachin in his first 10 matches. You need to write a SQL query to get the match number when he completed 500 runs and his batting average at the end of 10 matches. For batting average computation, they provided formula. Total runs scored by number of times batsmen got out. And the result should be have only two decimal places. So let me try to explain this query. So basically, they will provide the data which is related to Sachin Tendulkar. First 10 matches details they provided in the input table. Match number, run scored, and status, whether he is out or not out. That status also they provided. So by using this input table, we need to compute two things. First of all, batting average. So for batting average, they provided formula. Total runs by total number of outs. Okay. For match number, this match number we need to populate when he reaches the 500 runs. For example, if I see this particular data, 10 matches data they provided, he scored 500 runs, total 500 he reached in match number 8. So this match number we need to populate. He reaches 500 in match number 8. So that match number we need to populate. Now, okay. So for these two columns, we need to write the SQL query. So let me go to the SQL server. So the same data you will see here. 10 matches information. So by using this two table, we will generate these two columns. So first of all, I want to compute one thing, that is total runs. Total runs means sum of runs scored column, right? 633. Sum of runs scored column. It is very straightforward. Let's compute that column. Sum of runs scored. Sum of runs scored. Here I will use overlay class because I want to display all columns. If I use a regular sum, what will happen? I need to use all the display columns in group by. So I don't want to use group by. So simply I want to see all the columns and also sum of runs code for each and every record. So due to that reason, I am using over by class. So if I run now, you will see some value for each and every column. So that is what I am expecting. So due to that reason, I am using over by. So this is nothing but total runs. So total runs is just a simple summation on run score. So total 633 runs and 633 we populated. And one more column we need to populate, that is number of outs. Number of outs, how you will populate? For that, before populating this 9, what I will do is I will compute one thing. So based on the status column, if status equals to out, then I will populate 1. If it is not out, then I will populate 0. Out 1, not out 0. So this way I will populate first. Once I populate this way, then just I need to do the summation. Sum of my new column is 9. That is what I am expecting. 9 outs, 9 I want to populate. But how you will populate? If you derive this logic, on top of this logic, you need to do the summation. Let's do that. So here I will write case when status equivalents to out. Then what? 1. Else 0. Okay, let's run once. End. End is missing. Let's run now. Yeah, I got the required data. Just do the summation. Sum of this over same way over also done. This is nothing but number of outs. How many times Sachin got out in his first 10 innings? 9. Yeah, I got total runs and total outs. Fine. Now we got total runs and total number of outs. Just we need to compute A by B, right? If I want to see batting average, total runs by total number of outs. Now, okay, let's do the A by B. A means this one, A means this one. So I will keep it in one bracket, A by B. B means this one. Let's run now. Here, comma, let's run this. We got the average. But average is in integer format because a simple reason. My A is integer, B is integer. So A by B, integer by integer, always you will get the integer in SQL. So for that, what I will do is I will convert this into numeric. So simply total runs into 1.0. So it will become 633 dot something, some decimal portion this way. This is what I need because I want to see decimal portions also. So due to that reason, I'm converting into a decimal, just a decimal. Now I got the decimal portion. This decimal portion, we will keep it in the same way. So this is nothing but batting average, batting AVG. Okay. Now we populated this column. We will make it to two decimal portion later, but as of now, we populated the required data. Now, one more thing I need to populate it, that is match number. Before populating that match number, I want to compute one more column, that is running total. Running total on based on which runs code. Running total is nothing but for first record 53 and second record the total combination of 192, one record and second record, that is 112, 112. And third record the running total is combination of three records 225. And for fourth record, combination of first four records, 254. So this is nothing but running total. Okay, record by record, how much? Sum. So for that, I will do simply sum of runs code over order by match number. Match by match, right? Match number, match by match, running total. So let's run now. We got the running total. So I will store this result set in CTE with CTE as select star from CTE. Just I am storing the result set in CTE. Fine. Now I want to do one more thing. Why I need these records? These records are not required, right? I need anyway got the batting average. Just I need match number. When he reached 500 runs. He reached 500 runs in the eighth match. So what I will do, I will add this condition where running total should be greater than or equivalent to 500. So if I run now, what will happen? You will get three records. You filtered out some records. That is fine. Now I want to generate row number. What I'm trying to achieve here is he reached 500 in these matches. Okay. His total runs reached 500 in his matches. But in which match first? So I will generate the row ranking here on basis of the running total. For minimum value, one rank. For second value, second rank, third value, third rank. So if I do this way, then I will get to know this record, right? If rank equals to 1 means I will get to know my match number. If I filter out the data, just I need to generate the rank. Order over here. This one is very important. Order by what? Running total. Running total. When he reached 500 first time. By default, ascending order. So let's run this query one more time. I got the required ranking. Okay, now store this data in one more CTE. This is my final CTE as 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 select star from final CTE. Final CTE. Now, okay, just filter the first record, RNK equivalents to run 1. This is what I need. Now, what you need to do is you need only couple of columns like match number we need and batting average also we need, but batting average currently in too many decimals. So first of all, I will do the rounding till 2. So it will aggregate till 2 decimal portion. 33 we are expecting because 33 3, right? So it will 33 only. Others are 0. So now cast as decimal 10 before and after only 2. This is nothing but batting average. Now run the query. Now I got the required data set. Now I got the required data set. So this is what they are expecting. This is our final code. So we can achieve this requirement in n number of ways. So I write the query in this way. So majorly for computing the batting average, you need to do the sum of runs code, and you need to calculate total number of outs also. Once you got these two things, then easily you will populate batting average. But for populating match number, you will have different ways. What I did is I populate the running total, then I find out in which match he scored 500 runs. Okay, when he reached first time 500 runs. So for that, I took only 3 records. After reaching 500, how many records? 3 records. And what is the minimum match means this one. Based on the runs code, you will get to know. In eighth match, he reaches 515. In ninth match, he reaches 608. Means before reaching 608 only, he scored 500 runs. So due to that reason, I populated 8. So you can populate this in different ways, but for easy way, I found out this ranking approach. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any clarifications needed, please use the comment box.